Good morning to all. So today we are going to discuss to find the voltage regulation by using ASA method. ASA means American Standard Association method. So in the previous classes we are discussing MMF method and Pottier method. So in these two methods saturation is not considered, but in this ASA method we are going to the in this ASA method, so saturation is considered. That is the main difference in the previous methods and here. So here also in the ASA method we want two characteristics OCC and ZPF characteristics. So this y-axis indicates the voltage in the EMF, and this x-axis indicates the field current. So from the excitation to draw the OCC characteristics, Next ZPF characteristics. ZPF means, so after demagnetizing effect you got 1 point. So here to draw the ZPF characteristics. ZPF that is simply EMF versus field current at IA is constant. So this point indicates this O, this is the F dash. Next vector diagram. From the vector diagram, so this is the V point, this is the terminal voltage V, V. So here current V lags I at an angle pi. So next, after that, to consider some drop IA RA. Next is the IA XL drop. So then you got 1 point. This point is called simply ER. Next, after that, simply from the origin draw the one tangent line. Next, this tangent line is also called as air gap line. So from the terminal voltage, so horizontally to draw the one line up to ZPF characteristics. So denote by A. So from the OF dash, this is the demagnetization effect. So this OF dash length and here this OF dash in parallel to draw the one more line. That point indicates some D. This OF dash parallel to AD. This AD. Next, from the tangent line to draw the one more line from the D point. So these two are same. You got one more point. That point is called C. Simply join this C point and A point. So from the C point, so AD perpendicular to draw the vertical line. Then you got one point, that is the B. So simply this BC indicates IA into XL drop. So I want XL means the BC by IA. Then simply find the leakage reactance. Then after that, to find the ER is equal to V into cos pi plus I into RA whole square plus V into sin pi plus I into XL whole square. Then from this formula to find the ER, that is the resultant EMF. Then after that, so you got the ER value to draw the one horizontal line up to air gap line and OCC curve. You got 2 points. This point is called ER. This point is called H. This point is called EM. This HM indicates effect of saturation. This HM indicates effect of saturation. So here also from the terminal voltage, so we are taking, this is the O dash and this is the G. Simply this O dash G indicates FR dash. Okay. Next to from this graph to draw the vector diagram. So from this graph, first to draw the O dash. This is the, here from this graph to draw the first O dash G. This O dash G indicates FR dash. Next to some reference E. So for next to draw the HG. So from this graph, this HG, so this point indicates HG. So this HG is called OF dash. This HG is called OF dash. We got one point. So from the origin, add these 2 points. So here in the H and M point, we are taking the saturation point, that is the effect of saturation. So this one also considered. So from this point we are adding M point also. So this total one is called FF. So this point is also called as O dash M, or we are taking the FM. We are taking the OF point. So O dash M is equal to this OF. So from this vector diagram, OF to indicate the F point here, F point. From this F point to draw the one vertical line up to OCC characteristics. Then after that, to draw the one more horizontal line. Then you got E0. So from this E0, then simply find the voltage regulation. So you know the formula, E0 minus V by V into 100. So from this E0, then to find the voltage regulation. So this is the complete ASA method. Thank you.